kajing jes leum ka baju jia manlau snem hagash nong umper hakat armer borni han bat ka school senjut ka badai ka wei nek school ka bala shakta ha ka poslam halor ka ne kajing jes leum ka penlong ya u MLA ka jirang u ba sosten sotun ha kajing ya don rengkar u deputy commissioner ka Ribohoi district u Abhilash Baranwal ki officer ka nahai bat ki engineer ka tanat PWD lembat kinong yalam snong bat kinong hikai ka school senjut kilalit banjurip menta ka sngi ka arpnyo trik jemang sha ka te ka snong banlap ya ka daw halor ka te ka jingdap batru banwat kilat kelenti ban pendus non ya ka ne ka jingslei ba ki paiba ki jumat ki jinge man la ki por na ka liang uba sostena sotun u MLA ka jirang bat u Abhilash Baranwal u deputy commissioner ka Ribohoi district kilapan pa ba kinsa shim khia mardor bat ka kam ka sas dangno shen khnang balada ka don ka jing hap slap jur baki paiba ki basong hagate ka snong kin light na ka te ke jingslei
upon the insistence of honorable local MLA and he requested that all the line departments and NHAI should be present. So that's how we have come for this meeting. We are in this recurrent problem of flooding in St. Jude's School. We are trying to find out a temporary as well as a permanent solution. So we are here with all officers of disaster management, PWD and NHAI. We have inspected the site. We have discussed with NHAI. They are going to submit us a report regarding the permanent solution, how we can solve this problem for good, for eternity. But in the meanwhile, how to basically, relieve this situation temporarily. We have discussed many solutions, and very soon we are going to work on that so that at least for this season, the school should not face any problem. Whatever necessary measures have to be taken, we will ensure that they are taken so as to relieve the school of this recurrent problem. There's been quite a lot of infrastructure damage due to the persistent flooding that they encounter whenever there is heavy rain. And we have taken note of that. I'll direct my BDO to compile a report on the same. And under disaster management, disaster relief fund, we'll see how we can compensate the school so that at least part of the infrastructure can be compensated.
Can we expect the time frame?
Most of can be immediately started, like dredging and all. However, the permanent solution will depend a lot on what are the financial implications and all. But then, as insisted by Honorable Local MLA as well, that we'll continue to follow from district administration side, from government of Meghalaya side, so as to ensure that even the permanent solution, whatever may be the financial implications, so then even that is implemented in a short span of time.
Ka snging idon ka school ha St. Jude kumba kitebi ka school St. Jude dadon kano ka jing slap ka ba half ka area kini ibet ba ka school ka kan slay ha ka school bakal ta sisa hadu kata kata ka school Hibroboi dan tangi dan lang ba di Deputy Commissioner dan ka Ribohoi district i ngapan pa kita play. Thank you so much our Deputy Commissioner for calling all the officers from the NHAI and the consultant from the NHAI and then the engineer from the PWD, and we have the local bodies also from represent coming together, and at the same time the school authorities, the principal and the teachers here. Ka jingwan ka jongi ha ka ne ka por kalong ba nidon da kijing so kia lalu I Deputy Commissioner ngilayo menikran na ka por sa ka por akaba mairu idon ne kijing so kia bani I kijing ja kijing long jingman gabde ba ka kijing ja biding ne ka school la ka por ba slap bangilayo ban like ban inspect ketika outlet ha ketika main road jong ka national highway bangilai ba idon ka jing ko alane kata ka jingruna ha garukom ba ka kanya ba kunyo ban like freely lana easily katanya dagbasuk but ilayo ban penpau hakmat jong ka NHAI nang ka I Deputy Commissioner nang ka I engineer but ngikwa nakliang junga kumunong mikmat ngakwa ba kanika solution kalong bakila ban solve permanently namar bangilai I ba man kapor nakwe kapor sakwe pat kadan sya kading sosnai kikna school ki bhabdu ka school kajingdu ka school ya ka school authorities ibaro kajing julor kajingdu kajungki de na kata kataw nakaliang jungi nga kumunong mikmat kum MLA bat kumju ba di DC bat ki nakaliang ka NHI bat di engineer bat ni kwa hiba kan nikakam kan long bakila ban solve no ploy nang ba onla ban pensuk bat kanum mi so kano ka jingja hagini slay hagani ka thai stream hi barobor kindawan hi bantu ke kiwara bat ka hindo lan ka jaklia ban lang bat ilayo panekran mata pangila kerpat ya ka NHI nang ta ngilai don bat I deputy commissioner bat nakaliang jungaru ngan sotho so honorable chief minister juga jela ko jungi bat nakaliang junga kerpat bangan kerpat I ban yakran bat ka Assam counterpart kenang ba ginyo ban penyar ya ketika stretch jong ketika stream kenang ba ke hakaporiur kanyo ban lek dak besuk kata ketika ke jingkemu ke ba mangi wan ru hang ne nang ba ginyo ban aila de ko wa ka kanyo ban lek hakal ti ke ba la ban lek bek tak ba yai bek kenang ba kanum don kanu ka jing pushback lane ka jing phai biang jong ko dak la poi ketika hektik area. The school ngidon yekenika school yekenika snong umper, bat kini kisnong ru kala sakta he do kata namar bai. Kini kisnong hakapor ke memsua, kilong kisnong ki bamjio ban yo mat yekenika jingsle bat menta kini kisnong ru kala kata hado kata tengi bu ru yekenika kerpat bang ikermen kumbang ilayo ban yekren menta kasngi nakaliang kenahai kila pular bin penpuj berkelakular hiba kinle ke badon kam nang ba ginyo ban penbek nang ba ka permanent solution on la ban penbek hak bidai ba kenika jingja jong ke selengum hak kenika school of St. Jude ba kenika snong ya